How to delete local files on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Your Library. As you can see, there is a folder named Local Files. If I open it and tap on the three dots, as you can see, there are no options to delete or remove this file. So, in order to delete this folder, you need to go back in the home page. Then, tap on your profile on the top left corner. Go to Settings and Privacy from here. Then, find the option Apps and Devices. Let's scroll down until you find the option Local Audio Files. Here, turn it off. Then go back to Library. See, you cannot find the local files here. That means it has been removed from Spotify. So this is how you can delete local files on Spotify.